So this is what we're trying to make. It's a glittery star, has a little shine here. So let's just open up a new image. Open new. And I'm just gonna make 640 by 480, but it doesn't matter what size your image is. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna fill my background in with a nice yellow, and it doesn't really matter what color it is, but I just imagine stars to be yellow, so we're just gonna go with yellow. And you can, so on this step you can use any color you want. First thing you're gonna want to do is go to filters, noise, HSV noise. I'm just gonna adjust the settings to my likings, and it doesn't really matter what your settings are, but I just like to have it a little. So basically you're going to want to move up your saturation so that there's a lot of white in there, because that's what makes the glitter, and some value because it adds the blackish, darkish dots that make the other colors of the glitter. So this is what we have now, and before we move on to making the star, I'm going to first adjust the color, the contrast and brightness. So mine's right here, but you can go up to colors and select brightness, contrast. So I'm just gonna lower the brightness and increase the contrast a little, and that gives it a bit more of a glittery look. So next we're gonna make a star shape or a star path so that we can cut it out of this glitter background. But it's really hard to make a perfect star shape using your own hands and just trying to make it perfect. So we're going to use a scrip-fu. Go ahead and click scrip-fu, shape path, and star. And these are basically the presets that I like to use. So the outer radius, inner radius, and rotation is the only things I actually changed. And for outer and inner radius, actually I'm just going to go this time with 100 and 150. So usually what I like to do is kind of, actually a 50 and 150. Okay, that should look better. Okay, so it looks like nothing's happened, but actually there's a path right here, and if you select it, there it is. So just onto path, I'm just going to use the move mode and just move it in here. Okay. And then I'm going to do selection from path so that I create a selection from this. And then before I can cut out the star, I'm going to add an alpha channel to this layer. And what that does is it enables the ability to add transparency to the layer. So now I'm just going to go to selection, invert, and then edit, cut. Okay, so now select none, and I'm just gonna, okay, so this is what we have for now, and we're not done yet. We're gonna add a little shine to this. So let's just go to alpha to selection, which selects everything besides the transparent parts of the layer. So now we have the star selected. And then we're going to use the gradient tool and reset the colors to black and white. And so I'm just going to set the opacity at 50. And I'm going to make a gradient like this, or maybe a little darker, sorry, so that you can get a little shading into this part of the okay. And this time I'm going to lower the opacity down to 20 and make sure it's at bilinear. I'm going to make another gradient, so this added a little bit of a shine. So now we're finished with our glittery star, and I hope you like it. Thank you.